In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Stay in Drawing Mode option for faster charting. If you're frequently involved in technical analysis or charting, you know that efficiency is key. This functionality is designed to streamline your workflow, allowing you to focus more on analysis rather than fiddling with tools. First, let's begin by opening a chart. It doesn't really matter which charting platform you're using, as this is a generally applicable method. For our example today, we're using TradingView. Once you're on your chosen chart, go ahead and pick any drawing tool you like. Many traders often start with a tool like the trend line, but don't worry, you can use whichever tool meets your needs. Now, let's navigate to the top toolbar. You'll see an array of icons and options here, but what we're particularly interested in is the drawing tool settings, which is represented by a little gear icon. Go ahead and click that. It's a crucial step because accessing these settings allows you to customize your drawing experience. With the Settings menu now open, locate the option labeled Trend Line. This is where you can make specific adjustments to how your drawing tools behave. While we're using the trend line as our example, remember that this approach applies universally across different drawing tools within the platform. Here's where the magic happens. You should see an option called Stay in Drawing Mode. By toggling this on, you're allowing yourself to draw multiple lines or shapes without the hassle of having to reselect the tool after each use. It's a real time saver, especially if you're marking several zones, support and resistance lines, or perhaps working with Fibonacci sequences. Now, with Stay in Drawing Mode enabled, try drawing across your chart. You'll notice how seamlessly you can continue drawing without interruption. This not only makes your experience smoother, but also keeps your focus on the task at hand. However, at some point, you might want to finish your drawings. Exiting this mode is straightforward. Just press the Escape key on your keyboard, or simply click the tool again. This ensures you can quickly wrap things up and move on to your next task effortlessly. By using this nifty little option, you'll be saving valuable time, especially if you find yourself frequently marking up charts. It's an elegant solution for traders needing to efficiently mark multiple technical points on a chart. So next time you're deep in analysis, give Stay in Drawing Mode a try. It's the little improvements like these that make your trading or analysis workflow that much more efficient and enjoyable. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tool helps you chart faster and more efficiently.